Hi, I'm Rich with InsideHPC. We're here at the Intel HPC Developer Conference, and I'm here with Gadi from Intel. Gadi, let's start at the beginning. Can you tell me about your role at Intel?
Yeah, good morning. So I'm a vice president at the AI Products Group at Intel, and I lead the architecture team, so the architecture and technologies for artificial intelligence.
Well, Gadi, you gave a talk this morning, and I thought something was very striking. You started out saying, AI is closer than we think. What did you mean by that?
Well, AI is already happening. It's not something that is about to happen. It's already happening. But what is remarkable is the pace of change. If you look at what happened over the last 5 years from relatively modest state 5 years ago, such a tremendous change to a place today where we have autonomous driving cars roaming the streets. We have software that can detect malignant tissue in a very complex scanning, and we have phones that can understand even my speech. So there's been tremendous progress, and that pace is only accelerating. So the point is that as this goes forward, the impact on all industries is going to be tremendous. It's going to be fundamental. So the future of AI is not something that we're talking about 10 years out. We're talking about the next 3 years and 5 years of creating this transformational impact on many industries.
And Gadi, how is Intel helping to bring about this transformation?
Well, most of the AI cycles, compute cycles, are running on Intel machines. And this is running on Xeon and Xeon Phi and some of the other architectures. But we see a combination of general-purpose machines, such as the CPUs, that are adding instructions and capabilities to deal with the AI workloads, but also some specialized solutions. So having a portfolio, a lineup, that includes both the general purpose as well as solutions such as FPGA that Intel is offering, as well as those new Nervana neural network processors. And this is a new class of devices, of machines, that are tuned for deep learning architecture workloads.
So Gadi, you mentioned in your talk today about the overlap of HPC and AI. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, I spoke about this complementary view of AI running on the HPC infrastructure and HPC using AI as a major tool in its toolbox. When you look at AI and the challenges that AI is solving, the scale that HPC brings allows us to really solve the largest problem, the astronomy problems and the other large problems. It also allows us to do much faster iterations because in the training period, you are iterating, you have new ideas, you're exploring, and you want fast response. So HPC is really a fundamental capability to run AI to scale. At the same time, HPC has some major aspects that it's solving, traditional and new areas in which it provides solution. Using AI as part of its toolbox, in addition to simulation and modeling, in addition to analytics, will open new capabilities, new options. You don't have to have the whole model because AIs allow the model to be learned by itself. You don't have to define all the features. And in areas that are changing quickly, like fintech and others, the model can grow with the data that just arrived. So AI can provide a major platform and a capability to drive HPC forward.